All right, so we are heading back to Bluebell. Hopefully we're going to get a lot done. We have not seen much progress in the past. So we're heading back there and hopefully we get a lot done. So make sure to like this video and subscribe down below to catch all of our travel adventures. We're back at Starbucks, getting our daily Joe. You can stop it now. Ah, what a beautiful day. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And Alphonse is opening up the bus. Let's see what we got. Okay, there you go, babes. All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, we gotta get all of this stuff out because we have to put things back in the bus before we lock it up. But we're gonna get the walls out here. We're gonna get the roof out. Hopefully the rivets don't take forever like they did last time. And then we're gonna work on the fuel hose right there. Ah, you got it! It looks so good! Oh, it's such a perfect circle. Good job, Boo! Wow. Ow! Oh, it's hot! Man. Ooh. Crazy. So this is the whole saw that he used. Man, you can see it's just all beaten up and the ridges are, yikes. All right, so I am taking a walk because Alphonse is grinding. He is doing just lots of very loud stuff. So I just wanted to take a walk, and we would love to know y'all's favorite color. So please comment down below what your favorite color is, and I am just enjoying the beautiful day. It's so pretty. Like, you can just see the blue sky behind me. So pretty. But yeah, so y'all let us know your favorite color, and we will let y'all know our favorite color at the end of this video. Thank you for following along and subscribing. We really appreciate it. We try to upload videos every week, but sometimes it's hard, you know, to go see Bluebell every weekend. But whenever we do upload an episode, you guys will be notified. Just make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so then you know. Y'all, I was actually able to help Alphonse with some stuff today. Go me! And just feel like I was just sitting around. So Alphonse was able to get off this head cushion thingy that was right here. So that's awesome. Here it is. Yay! He just got a huge piece of the roof off. Woohoo! Oh no, the light! Oh no! Whoops. Well, it looks like it's pretty stuck on. Okay, so I just got done getting all of the insulation off of the walls, and of course I was using gloves so it wouldn't make me itchy. And I also pulled off this weather stripping that was underneath the windows right here. And it's really cool because it's just really squishy and foamy and fun. So you can actually see the wires now here. Such pretty colors. So it goes all the way down on that side, and then you can also, there's a lot fewer over here on this side. But we'll get to electrical here in a little bit once Alphonse finishes gutting the bus.
Yes, they do.
Do they serve anything else?
Oh, they serve fries and sides and hamburgers.
Oh, I like hamburgers.
You do?
Yep. Okay. Nice. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's okay. What you gonna get?
I don't know. Peach tea. Oh no, I didn't see that.
Well, I'm sure maybe you could get it replaced or, you know, a refill with...
Yeah, my refill I'll swap with another flavor.
Yeah. I'll give you a little cup.
Yeah.
What you doing?
I'm filming.
Well, did we get a lot done today
Yes.
so far?
Yes.
And what are they commenting about today?
Color.
Yes! So we want to know what your favorite color is.
Yes. Ours are
No, don't tell them
colors.
yet. Oh. Don't tell them yet. We'll tell them at the end.
Yeah.
You're still recording.
Yep.
Yum! Can I have a fry? Thank you. Okay, so we're getting a lot done with the fuel hose. Alphonse has had so much patience with it. But he's looking under the bus now. So see, he has the cap on. He has his pretty circle. Woohoo! Woo! Okay, so I just got done using this shop vac that Larry let us borrow and vacuumed the whole floor because we're going to put a coat of paint on. All right, y'all, the sun is going down and we are done for the day. So let me give you guys a walkthrough of all that we did. So we got all of the walls out, yay! And the electrical wires are now exposed, so we can start that. We got the entire roof out. I say we, it's really Alphonse did, but I did help with the insulation. So I did help with something. And yeah, we're just going to continue working on the fuel hose. Hopefully that gets fixed soon and all finished up. And then the next steps is doing the floor. So we'll do the floor either a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch of plywood, but we'll put foam board below it. And we'll be good to go. So stay tuned. Yay, we're done with Belle for the day. Are you satisfied with the work we did, babe?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is the sunset pretty?
It is.
Okay, babe. So we gotta tell them our favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Mine is green.
Mine's green too.
Yay.
Yay! And then my second favorite is blue. But if I had to choose one, green would be it.
Yay.
Yay!
Green's better.
Like and subscribe.